Civil authorities from pretty much fucking everywhere have issued an evil killer Chinese dragon alert, effective until February 15th. There have been multiple reports that a stampede of evil killer Chinese dragons are going around the world and attacking large cities around the planet, including Chinatown in New York City. The states that have the most evil killer Chinese dragons are Hawaii, Rhode Island, Maryland, New York, and Georgia. And for some reason, North Korea. Is this the end of the world? Probably. This is fucking purity. It even has people like the potentially correct redneck saying,
"We shouldn't make fun of Asian drivers. Ain't they fault they got chinky eyes."
Meow Kalen and Dora the Explorer are trying to take down all of the evil Chinese dragons in Chinatown, but so far it ain't fucking working. What's that? We are now receiving word that killer dragons are going around New York City and setting every tall building on fire and using the World Trade Center as their personal toilet. LOL. Anyway, as I was saying, wait a minute, why do I hear footsteps? Holy fuckamoly, my eyes are on fire! 245 evil killer Chinese dragons have entered the EAS headquarters. No! Do not put that flamethrower up my ass.